In this video, we are going to learn how you can check in on Facebook. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook app and then go to your profile. And from your profile, you have to scroll down a little bit and here will get posts. So tap on what's on your mind, tap on here, and once you are here, then at the bottom you will get a bunch of options and one of is check-in. Tap on check-in and now you can search the location or you can turn on your location on your mobile. Then Facebook will automatically detect your location. Now I'm gonna search my location here. For example, I'm gonna search and after that you have to select the location and then tap on post at the upper right side. Tap on here. Now reload this page and here you can see that my check-in post has been done. So following this simple process you can check in on Facebook. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.